Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do this makeup look right here, which is like back to school makeup look, or you can just do it for any function event which is coming up. So this is like a very super easy, simple, yet it looks really glam and pretty. And the best part is that while applying my foundation and my concealer, I haven't used any sort of beauty blender or brush. I just blended it out with my fingertips and it turned out to be really good. As you can see, it's not at all cakey and it's blended really nicely, and I did not even had the need to take any extra foundation. So less is more kind of a makeup look. So if you want to know how I got this super easy and pretty makeup look right here, then please continue watching. So guys, I'm done with my skincare routine and now I'm moving on with the primer. So I'm done applying the primer and now I'm going to move on with my Belora Paris Illuminating Radiance Creme. So now I'm going to move on with my foundation, and for foundation today I'm going to apply this Maybelline matte poreless foundation and this MAC foundation. So I'm going to mix these two foundations and then apply it on my face. So to blend my foundation and my concealer, I am going to use my fingertips because I've seen a lot of influencers and makeup artists doing it on Instagram these days, and I really wanted to try it out, how the finished look is or how the foundation blends in. So I'm gonna give it a try, but then to set my powder and to do the rest of my makeup I'm gonna use brush. But today specifically for the foundation and the concealer I'm going to use my fingertips to blend it out. So I'm going to take my thin plate, and then I'm going to mix this two foundation and then start applying it. So I'm taking one pump of MAC and then some amount of this Maybelline foundation. So guys, I've blended my foundation with my fingertips and you can see it is like blended really nicely. It has blended really nicely, and I applied it on my neck as well, but my face is looking very glowy because we applied the illuminating creme. So it feels like you have a lot of foundation on your face, but it's completely like less. This is the result of the foundation. My skin looks really glowy, and now I'm going to apply the concealer. And for concealer today I am going to apply the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. So I'm just applying the concealer under my eye and on the bridge of my nose. So now I'm going to bake under my eyes, and for that I'm going to use the loose powder. So this one's from Stars Cosmetics. So I'm going to use this pink translucent powder, and I'm going to bake it under my eye and mostly on the rest of the face. and then I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows and eyeliner and stuff like that. So now first I'm going to brush up my eyebrows with a spoolie and then fill it in with the MAC eyebrow cake. So this is the color that I'm going to use to fill in my brows. So now I'm going to apply this shimmery magenta pink shade on my eyelid. I'm applying that with my fingertip only. So these pigments, they actually blend out really good when you apply with your fingertip. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And then I'm going to apply my eyeliner. So now I'm going to apply my eyeliner, and for that I'm going to use this pen liner. It is dark blue color but actually looks like black. So I'm going to make a wing liner, try to make a wing liner actually. So let's see how it goes. I'm applying my Stars Cosmetics mascara. So for blush today, I'm going to apply this pink peachy blush from Stars Cosmetics, and I'm going to take my same powder brush for it and then just dab it out very lightly. So I've just applied my highlighter in the inner corner of my eye, and I'm just going to apply that on the bridge of my nose. I'm not going to apply on my cheekbones because it's already glowing so much. So I'm just going to apply that on the bridge of my nose and under my brow. So now last and final step is our lipstick, and for that I'm going to apply this Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color, and this one is in the shade Pink Poison. Again, it's a very beautiful shade and I absolutely loved it. So this is how the bottle looks like, and the shade is also beautiful, so I'm going to apply that. So now I will quickly do my hair and I'll be right back. So guys, this is the final result. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I think that this video would help you in creating your own makeup look. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social medias. The links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.